Welcome you in the bio class. Today I am going to explain you the structure of cell membrane. Cell membrane is the boundary between the external and internal environment of a cell. This is the structure of a cell. So this is the internal environment of the cell, and there is external environment of the cell. This external and internal environment of the cell is bounded by a membrane. So this membranous structure which separate the internal and external environment of the cell is called cell membrane. So this structure is the cell membrane. In the cell membrane is found in both plant cell as well as animal cell. In the plant cell, one more structure is present outside the cell membrane, that is called cell wall. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. So other name of the cell membrane is plasma membrane. This cell membrane or plasma membrane serves as a barrier for the molecules entering or leaving the cell. Any molecules from outside try to enter the cell, or the molecules from the cell want to move out, then this cell membrane or plasma membrane is acting as a barrier. It means it not allow to free movement of the molecules from external environment into the cell or from the cell to outside. Cell membrane was observed by C. Nageli and C. Kramer, and they told this membranous structure which make the external which make the boundary of the cell membrane was told by Nageli and Kramers. After that, another scientist, E. Overton, assumed cell membrane is made of double layer of lipid molecules. So this cell membrane is made up of double layer of lipid molecules. J.Q. Plover gave the name of the cell membrane as plasma lemma. So I told cell membrane was called as plasma membrane. Now its one more name is plasma lemma. Plasma lemma. So this name was given by J.Q. Plover. Later it was called biological membrane or biomembrane. Cell membrane is made up of protein, lipid and carbohydrate. So when we study the composition of the cell, it is made up of protein, lipids and carbohydrates. So these are the three biological biomolecules of which cell membrane is made up of. Taking the structure of the cell, different models was given by the different scientists. So there are theories of membrane model. Cell membrane is made up of lipid and proteins. So many theories have been proposed to explain the arrangement of protein and lipid molecules in the cell membrane. So there are many theories. So in that, first one is the unit membrane concept. Unit membrane concept. This theory was given by Danley and Dobson. They proposed trilaminar structure of cell membrane. A lipid layer. This is the lipid layer, and this lipid layer is bounded by on either side by a protein layer. 3 layer in plasma membrane is supported by electron microscope. When it was studied with the help of electron microscope, then it was found cell membrane is made up of 3 layers. On either side of the lipid layer is the layer of protein. So this is the protein layer, this is also protein layer, this is interior layer, this is exterior layer, and in the middle is bilayer of the lipid. Concept of cell membrane with a trilaminar appearance was proposed by Robertson. So Robertson has given, this is the model of cell membrane proposed by Robertson. So this is the lipid layer, bilipid layer, this one is, and it is the outer protein layer, and this is the inner protein layer. So this model of cell membrane was proposed by Robertson. Now after that, there is one more model of cell membrane which was proposed by S.J. Singer and G. Nicholson. Singer and Nicholson. They proposed fluid mosaic model. Fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. So this is the figure of fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. According to this fluid mosaic model, the lipid and integral protein in membrane are disposed in salt mosaic pattern. So as in the mosaic is there, so like that there is lipid and protein. The lipid, so there is the lipid layer. These lipid layers are arranged as a thin bilayer. Proteins can be compared the iceberg floating in sea of the phospholipid bilayer. So in this you will see there is like this phospholipid layers. This is the phospholipid layers, and molecules of the proteins, some are floating on the surface of it, some molecules are on the surface, some molecules are embedded inside. So the protein can be compared the iceberg floating in sea of phospholipid bilayer. Proteins may be of both. There are 2 types of molecules of the protein. One is extrinsic, and other is intrinsic. Extrinsic molecules are proteins associated with the membrane on the surface of it, and intrinsic molecules are proteins enters the lipid bilayer and make an integral part of the membrane. The extrinsic proteins, these which are present on the surface of it, they are soluble and they readily dissociate from the membrane. But the intrinsic protein which are embedded inside, they are insoluble and they cannot dissociate easily. these intrinsic molecules of the proteins which are embedded inside, they are amphipathic in nature. The hydrophilic polar head protruded from the surface. So from the surface protruded, that is hydrophilic polar head, and other is hydrophobic ends which embedded in the interior of the membrane. So biological membrane, this is semi-fluid. The lipid and intrinsic protein can make movement. The lipid molecules show intramolecular movement. The lipid bilayer provide permeability barrier. Protein molecules are concerned with enzymatic activity, transport of molecules, and receptor functions. So I told what is the cell membrane, and to explain the structure of the cell membrane and function of the cell membrane, different model was proposed that I explained to you.